I hope I'm not getting myself into any trouble right now. Yay! Wow! Look at these cactuses! Okay, so what just happened is I was walking among these cactuses, so all my pants, on all the front of my pants are covered with these needles right now. Hello people! It's a very good morning in San Ignacio, Baja, Mexico. I'm gonna ride all the way back to Gonzaga Bay and meet there with my friend. Looking forward to the ride. Wow, there is so much fog that I can barely see the road. Also, I just passed some town named San Francisco. There was a direction to San Francisco, but obviously it's not a San Francisco. And my whole trip, it was sunny, except for this part. And I wonder, is there some magic around San Francisco that as soon as you name a place San Francisco, everything gets covered with fog, like the whole area gets covered with fog, or it's vice versa. If some area gets foggy, then there is San Francisco grows up. I don't know. This one.
¿Está bien así?
Gracias. 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 Yay! Freedom! Freedom! If I don't ride sand in the morning, then the morning is wasted. For today it's wet sand. It's interesting that I have really good traction here. It's almost like pavement. Roadworks are everywhere in Baja, and they all look similar. Like they all have these detours, and the signs are really good, so you can never miss that. Yeah, and some of the parts of the road that were in the road work on my way there, they are already opened. That means that in a couple of days they just completed the job. I wonder how it takes from the very beginning till the very end here, like in average. Hola.
¿De dónde viene?
Ah, no español.
¿Where you from?
California.
¿California de allá?
Loreto.
¿De Loreto? ¿De vacaciones?
Vacación.
Adelante.
Gracias. I was a little bit tired of riding the highway, and there is a road going right along the highway, which is gravel and looks more fun. So I took this one. I hope I'm not getting myself into any trouble right now. Yay! Wow! Look at these cactuses! Oh wow! They are awesome. They are awesome. Oh, hello. Are you tired? Okay, the road goes up, and I'm not sure if I can do this hill on my bike. So I'm doing a U-turn. Up, and I saw an exit to the highway. I'll probably just take this one. But look at these cactuses. They are huge. Wow, so fun. So fun. Okay, so what just happened is I was walking among these cactuses, and apparently I touched some plant that left a lot of needles on my pants, and these needles are very small and thin, like you can barely see them, but once they are inside your skin, there is a small piece of each needle left, and it's super painful when you touch this part of your skin with something. So all my pants, on all the front of my pants are covered with these needles right now, and what I did, I put additional layer under my pants, which should be hard to get through for these needles, and I will be dealing with that in the evening. I don't know how I got it there. It's like, it feels like it's a very stupid thing to do, not to watch your legs when you're walking around the cactuses, but that happened. So yeah, and I hope it will be okay, because some of the needles I can see that they buried that deeply in my skin that it's not even painful when I touch this thing, and I hope I will be able to find everything in the evening. But yeah, I am a forest girl, not a desert girl, that is for sure. This never happens to me in the forest. I arrived to my beautiful hotel for tonight. So yeah, we'll just have a relaxing evening. But first, all the needles out. And as they say, until the next time. And thank you for watching.